tip on how to overtake cyclists safely. First things first, you want to get nice and close to them, not too close so that if they fall off, they end up underneath your car. This is probably a good distance. What I'm going to do now is change down. I'm in fifth, so I'm going to change down to about third, which is a good give the speed I'm doing at the moment. I am going to move over to the right, pretend there is a centre line. And the cyclist is going to also move over to the right and pretend there's a centre line. This guy. Oh God, yeah. So I think I might have to change down to second now. So I'm in second gear, holding back nicely, over to the right. I can see it's clear. I'm going to check my mirrors. I'm not signalling because there's nobody here. But if I did have cars approaching or behind, I would most certainly apply a signal just to let them know that there is a hazard or an obstruction up ahead. It's quick and easy. I hope it's helped. Good luck.